Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Bard AI as your personal assistant to simplify your daily tasks and boost productivity. Let's get started. Google Bard is an advanced AI chatbot designed to help with a variety of tasks. To begin, visit bard.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a simple text box where you can type your requests or questions. You can use Bard AI to plan your day, create reminders, or even draft emails. For instance, ask Bard to create a to-do list or set reminders for important meetings. It can also help you summarize documents or generate quick ideas for projects. Bard is excellent for learning and research too. You can ask it to explain concepts, provide step-by-step guides, or even translate text into multiple languages. The AI is designed to give precise and relevant answers quickly. What makes Bard unique is its ability to refine its responses. If the initial answer doesn't meet your needs, you can ask it to elaborate, rephrase, or adjust its tone and style. That's it. Google Bard AI is like having a smart personal assistant at your fingertips, helping you stay organized and efficient. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.